Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you to be in a very good spirit. Children, we miss you a lot and remember you every day in our prayers. Please follow do's and don'ts in this time of crisis, and Almighty will surely hear our prayers, and soon we will able to overcome this problem of COVID-19. So now let's begin with our second lesson, that is the earliest societies. In this lesson, we are going to study about the main features of the life led by a prehistoric man, three divisions of the Stone Age, tools used in the Stone Age, and the Acheulean culture in the Deccan. C. Evolution from ape man to modern man. The Stone Age. The Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. Then we are going to study about the discovery of fire. So let's start. Now let us start with the important terms. First one is fossil. That means hardened remains of prehistoric animals or plants in rock, soil, etc. Second one is anthropoid, a man like animals similar to apes. Third one is nomad, a person who travels from place to place to find food and shelter. Fourth one, taming, making fit for living with humans. Fifth one is microlith. It means a very small stone tool. Last one is herding, looking after animals. Here are some interesting facts also about this. Early human beings left Africa and began wearing clothes at around 1 million years ago. Is it interesting? Yes. And the second one is humans navigated the Indian Ocean in boats 50,000 years ago. Can you believe this? Yes, 50,000 years ago. I told you the meaning of navigation. This is the process of planning out a route for the travels of a boat, ship, car, even person also. This I told you in your first chapter. Now let's study about the ape man, how the evolution changes into the modern man. It was around 1.5 million ago that man appeared on earth for the first time. The study of fossils indicate that there were ape men. These human beings which resembles apes and monkeys are called anthropoids. As I told you in your important terms, that fossil means the remains of prehistoric animals or plants in the form of rocks or soil. And anthropoids are the man which look like animals or apes. Yes, the anthropoids took many years to evolve into modern man. And the features we are going to study about these are the most striking features of the ape man were, first of all, he could not walk straight. He had a lot of hair all over his body. He could not hold things properly. He gradually learned to stand but still walk with a shifting gait. With time, his brain became bigger while his jaws shrank considerably. Here with this picture you can see these are the features which were told. First of all, we studied that he could not walk straight. As you can see in this first picture, this ape man is not able to walk, and he had a lot of hair all over his body, and even he could not hold the things properly in the hands. They were incapable of holding the things properly. Then gradually he learned to stand but still walked with a shifting gait. He was not able to walk properly even. But as the time passes, he changed into a modern man. With time, his brain became bigger while his jaws shrank. So with the help of this picture, all the features are very clear. Now there is something good to know about the ape man. The best evidence for the oldest life on earth has been found in odd shaped rock like moons in Australia. These moons are actually fossils created by microbes around 3.4 billion years ago. Isn't it interesting? Yes, of course it is. These are the evidences of the pigs found in Australia. As you can see here, this is the spherical bubbles preserved in 3.48 billion years old rock. Another one you can see here, this is the microscopic image. And the third one you can see this is the fossils. Fossils, I told you, are the remains. Yes, so these are the three oldest evidence of life on earth, which appeared first 3.8 or 7 or 8 billion years ago in Australia.